Hi there. All right, we're going to start on problem number 28, which is a quadratic equation with three terms. You can use the quadratic formula if you want, but note that the answer cannot include decimals. You can answer with an integer, a fraction, a square root, an I, but not a decimal. So don't pull out your calculator just yet. So here's number 28. B squared minus 6b minus 40 equals 0. Let's see if it's factorable. When quadratics are factorable, they're much easier to solve, quicker. All right, well, 40 equals negative 10 times 4, among other numbers. And negative 10 plus 4 equals negative 6, which is the B number. So we can factor this, and that's precisely what I'm going to do. As I said earlier, you can use the quadratic formula or even completing the square if you want to. We'll have B minus 10 times B plus 4 equals 0. Now set each factor equal to 0. B minus 10 equals 0. And B plus 4 equals 0. Solve each little equation, and you'll get B equals 10 and B equals negative 4. Those are our solutions for this problem. Let's put them in the answer box. Remember to put a comma between them. Yay, we did it. Let's move on. Okay, 2x squared minus 26 equals 0. This is quadratic because the highest power is 2, but it lacks a middle term. When this happens, we use the square root method. Remember the square root method? Well, we're going to do it now. 2x squared minus 26 equals 0. Add the constant term over to the other side. We're going to isolate the squared term, which is called the quadratic term. 2x squared equals 26. Now remember, the 2 in front is not being squared. It's a coefficient. So divide both sides by the 2 in order to isolate the x squared. X squared equals 13. And so we'll take the square root of both sides. X is going to equal plus or minus the square root of 13. Let's put these answers in the answer box. And we're going to use the square root tool. The square root of 13. Now, hit the right arrow key to come to the end of the square root, then put your comma, then put a negative sign, then put the square root again. Now, check your answer. Nice work. Let's move on to x squared plus 64. This is another problem that lacks the middle term. We're going to be using the square root method. This is number 30. X squared plus 64 equals 0. Subtract 64 from both sides of the equation. So we'll have x squared equals negative 64. Plus or minus, well, negative 64, then we take the square root of both sides. And so we'll be taking the plus or minus square root of negative 64. And so x is going to equal plus or minus the square root. Now follow my process here, because you know we've been kicked out into the complex number system. We've got the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 64. And you know what the square root of negative 1 is. It's I. So you're going to have plus or minus I times 8, which of course we write as plus or minus 8I. These are complex conjugates. Let's put our answers in the answer box. Negative 8I and positive 8I. All right.